Are you using speed to quote to manage your employees or improve sales or gain insight into analytics? How specifically would you say speed to quote is helping?
Sure. Well, Speed to Quote doesn't have a clock in, clock out yet, so I don't manage the employees that way. But you can see when the employees are quoting, when they're saving their bids, when they're saving their rates. So you can see what the win-loss ratios are. Yeah, no, we focus on our higher level people at our company. And, just like what's in the name is we're focusing on the speed portion of being able to get the rates in and get them to the clients quickly, because we all know that something is going to come up, an email, an issue, a driver calling, a client calling, and the longer you wait on responding to your client to quote a lane, the higher the probability and the chance that there's going to be somebody like myself who's using Speed to Quote, getting them a rate, sending them the rate, and them taking my offer, because your client's going to be busy on the other line too. They're dealing with the same things that we're dealing with on our end. They have drivers that are doing loads. They have issues and problems that are coming up. So the longer you let these quotes sit out there, the higher the probability that you are not going to be the one that's going to be hauling the load. It's going to be me hauling the load because I got them a good competitive rate quickly. So when it comes to the RFP tool, and you can take out the information, the data, that report that the RFP tools is extremely powerful. The matter of time it takes to input the data, the RFP into the aggregator, the time it has to come out, and the amount of information that you can plug in pre-bid, whether it's fuel surcharge that the client uses, you want to set your preset margins, your preset fixed costs, whatever it may be, and the data that it spits out, the report that comes back with your margin, your fuel, the multiple different options of having an all-in, having your all-in rate per mile, having your line haul rate or your line haul rate per mile it's very powerful. So that report in itself is fantastic.